What do you do each time money enters your hand? Every time money enters your hands, whether from your job, a business deal, a gift, or even a sudden windfall, what you do next could either push you toward financial freedom or trap you in a cycle of lack. In this video, we're diving into a life-changing principle, the first thing to do each time you get money. It's simple, powerful, and absolutely transformative if you apply it consistently. So grab your notebook, because what you're about to learn can turn every dollar you receive into a stepping stone for wealth, peace, and purpose. 1. Pause and respect the moment. Most people rush to spend as soon as money hits their account. Bills are waiting, needs are calling, wants are tempting. But the first wise thing to do when money comes is pause. Money is not just currency, it's a tool, a test, and a testimony. It reveals your heart, your priorities, and your mindset. Before touching that money, take a moment to acknowledge it. Breathe. Be grateful. You worked for it, prayed for it, or waited for it. Now it's here. Gratitude is powerful. It opens your eyes to possibilities beyond just spending. Action tip. Each time you receive money, say, "Thank you, Lord, for this provision. Give me wisdom to manage it well." This mindset shift lays the foundation for everything else. 2. Honor God first. Whether you're a believer in God or not, this principle works. What you honor first determines what multiplies in your life. For many, the act of tithing, giving 10% to God, is the first and most powerful thing they do with any income. Why? Because it's a way of saying, "God, I trust you more than I trust money." It's not about religion. It's about putting purpose before pleasure and stewardship before spending. Even if you don't tithe, consider giving to a cause, to the poor, to someone in need. This breaks the grip of greed and opens the door to financial flow. Money is like water, it must flow to stay fresh. Action tip. Set aside a percentage to give back, whether it's to your church, charity, or someone you know who's struggling. Giving first creates room for more to come. 3. Pay yourself next. Yes, after honoring God and giving back, it's time to pay yourself. Not to splurge, but to save and invest. Most people pay others first, rent, bills, food, shopping, and end up with nothing. But wealthy people do the opposite. They pay themselves before anything else. Here's a golden rule. Save at least 10 to 20% of every income you receive. That's your seed for the future. That's your escape plan from financial slavery. Your future self will thank you. Action tip. Set up an automatic transfer that moves a portion of your income to a savings or investment account the moment you get paid. If this video added value to your life, like, share and drop your comments. And watch out for the continuation of this video.